Nababaw ka balin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Where in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products to our Where in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Black Mamba Pizza for sending us 7 of their products. Actually, this is the first time that we're gonna be receiving these kinds of pizza because we all know Black Mamba, no? Kumbaga, yan ang icon name ni Kobe Bryant. But this is not about him actually. But what made our pizzas black? It is because yung organic activated charcoal. Now, for those of you na ngayon palang nakarinig sa organic activated charcoal, it has actually a lot of health benefits, no? So you go ahead and do your research about it. It is very broad, no? It is being widely used sa mga iba-ibang products, even yung mga beauty products, food. It is a widely used ingredient and it is actually included dito sa mga pizzas natin. Aside from yung mga healthy benefits niya, it also has a detoxifying benefit. Now, aside from the healthy benefit, no, it also has a detoxifying effect. So, hindi ka lang kumakain ng masarap na pizza, meron pa siyang detox effect. Now, let's talk about the flavors that they sent us. Again, they sent us 7 of their pizzas. So, these are all cheese. Ayan, this is their all cheese pizza. Meron tayong cheese pesto and pork floss. So if you notice guys, itong pizza na to has 2 flavors. So you can actually customize it. Pag order ninyo, pwede naman sabihin yun. Now we also have Hawaiian. Now you can distinguish the Hawaiian because of the pineapple, the ham, and then the bell pepper. Plus of course, hindi mawawala yung cheese natin dyan. And then next in the middle is the beef mushroom. Again, if you notice, meron tayong parang grounded beef. It also has huge slices of mushrooms, some onions, some peppers, and of course, hindi mawala yung cheese. Alright, so sikat na flavor ng pizza is the pepperoni. So, hindi mawawala din yan sa menu nila. So, the pepperoni pizza has, of course, the meat itself. Meron tayong bell peppers, some onions, and again, lots and lots of cheese. Another flavor that I might really be interested is yung sausage and bacon nila because I really like sausages. So, meron tayong mga slices of sausages dyan. And then, parang meron tayong bacon on top. And then, lastly, this is their overload. Come and check out, guys. Have a zoom in, no? It has pepperoni. It has lots and lots of meat, no? They use high-grade herbs and spices to, give the ultimate flavor ng mga pizza natin. Like I said, no? Although they use yung organic activated charcoal, they don't compromise the taste and yung pinaka-dough natin. We would like to thank the Black Mamba Pizza stall located po sa stall number 12, Mr. J. Inuk Filling Station, Baliti, Telebastagan, MacArthur Highway, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Alright, so I wanna cut in the chit chat. I wanna give my own, my personal take. Alright, so wow! Yung pinaka-outer layer nung crust natin is crispy, and then in the inside is actually parang moist. That's what I wanna say, no? Oh wow! I gotta commend yung pinaka-cheese nila on top. It's really amazing. Napaka-thick and very generous yung what do you call this? Yung pinaka-cheese natin. And then, the pepperoni, wow, sobrang lasa. Wanna go next is yung overload. Of course, I'm not gonna skip this. Ooh. Oh wow. Although, I think this one has a medyo mas mellow na flavor. If you, enjoy loads and loads of meat sa mga pizza, I think yun yung o-orderin ninyo. Super duper like it. Of course, hindi ko palalampasin din yung kanilang Hawaiian. Oh yeah. Sobrang malalasahan mo yung mga special herbs and spices. So, good job. They really taste well. Wow. Okay, next I wanna taste this one. Itong kanilang bacon and sausage, I think. Yeah, if I can recall that correctly. Yeah. If you know this, guys, lagi kong sinasama yung mga onion because I like I said, I like onions. No? Oh, the sausage. For me personally, ito yung mga gusto ko na pizza crust. If you are to ask me kung bago ka palang mag-order sa kanila, which are you gonna order? I think from the 4 that I've tasted so far, go for the pepperoni pizza. For me personally, I really enjoyed it. It has loads and loads of parang cheese in the middle. Actually, yun nagpa-impress sa akin. Now, number 2 probably, if you're gonna go for 2 boxes, go for the all meat sa overload natin, yung overload pizza natin. Anyway, so once again, we would like to thank Black Mamba Pizza San Fernando branch. They are open from 10 a.m. up until 8 p.m. Monday to Sunday. Check their fan page as well. Please give them a follow, give them a like so that you can be updated sa mga promos and announcements. So there you have it, guys. If you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. And let's enjoy, a different kind, an Instagrammable, pizza, and at the same time healthy and has, a detoxifying effect in your body. Make sure to check out Black Mamba Pizza. Thank you for watching until our next video. I hope to see you there. Peace out. Bye-bye.